Now the secret that has been used to sculpt the best bodies in the world for over 3,000 years is finally condensed into a simple 21-minute weight loss system available to men and women everywhere in only 21 minutes a day. You will burn a bit of belly fat every day, experience more energy and better health, reduce aches, pains and injuries, enjoy eating more yummy carbs, without ever going to the gym, using your own body weight, with zero equipment. These odd little body weight exercises are proven to activate your fat-burning metabolism 67% more than conventional exercises. Using this 21-minute method, you can eat carbs, enjoy your favorite foods, and still burn away a bit of belly fat each and every day. Most folks who have lost weight know you have to exercise to burn fat, stay in shape, reduce stress, eliminate health risks, and get the body you desire. What very few people realize is that you may be exercising too much, and that short workouts of around 21 minutes have been scientifically proven to give you all the benefits of longer workouts, without the negative side effects you'll hear about in just a minute. Maybe you also heard or believed that you must pay for a gym membership to lose weight. If so, you've been lied to. Just consider body weight athletes like gymnasts and you'll agree that zero equipment home workouts will give you a shapely body just as quickly. However, you cannot get the results you deserve with endless repetitions of tired old body weight exercises like push-ups and sit-ups, which is sadly the limit of what most trainers know about body weight workouts. Yet the unique body weight exercise progressions you'll discover right here on this page can't be found anywhere else, so keep reading. You'll see why you never need to exercise more than 21 minutes. And how these short exercise sessions will give you all the weight loss benefits of longer workouts, and as I'll explain in a minute, even let you eat more of your favorite tasty carb-rich foods. Controversial university research already proved the wrong workouts make you store more fat. Did you know that every year 36 million people take up jogging because they think it'll help them lose weight and look better? Yet get this. In 2006, researchers from Berkeley and Stanford universities revealed the results of their study on habitual runners. To the shock of the entire fitness industry, all the runners, including those who ran as much as 8 miles per day, got fatter with every passing year. Think about it. Have you ever noticed that all those folks who spend hours every week on treadmills, stationary bikes and cardio classes never seem to change their bodies? Listen, there's this myth about how doing long workouts gets you results. Here's why that's just not true. Long and punishing workouts are proven to jack up a stress hormone in your body called cortisol. In normal doses, cortisol is great. It actually helps you burn fat. But in high doses from long and stressful exercise, it actually forces your body into protection mode, and makes you store more fat around your midsection. And it turns into the frustrating stubborn fat that's almost impossible to lose as long as your cortisol stays high. Worse, it's the type of fat that increases your risk of diabetes, heart disease and cancer. If you're interested, please click on the link below the video to learn the full content. That's why I never want you to work out for more than 30 minutes, and why 21 minutes will easily give you all the weight loss you desire. Proof. A recent study out of Australia reported that a group of women who followed a 20-minute program consisting of 8-second sprints followed by 12 seconds of rest lost an amazing 6 times more body fat than a group that followed a 40-minute traditional cardio program. And that's just the latest in a long list of studies, stretching all the way back to a groundbreaking 1994 study from a Quebec City university. That prove you don't need more than 21 minutes to experience the body you desire and deserve. Look, if you're anything like me, you just don't have time to spend 90 minutes a day working out. I'm 43. I exercise 20 to 30 minutes a day using my own body weight. And I've got more energy, higher flexibility, better health markers, and of course a slimmer, firmer and more athletic body than when I was spending 60 to 90 minutes a day at the gym in my 20s. The answer to eating more carbs, enjoying your favorite foods, and still burning away a bit of belly fat each and every day is found in the BW3 multi-burn method. Now you know that short workouts are where it's at for losing weight quickly, permanently and enjoyably. However, fast does not always mean easy. In fact, I won't hide the fact that a few of your 21-minute workouts are going to be tough and intense. Yet you'll be done your workout while other folks are still doing their warm-up, and you'll be burning more fat in 21 minutes than those other poor souls are burning in 90 minutes or more. Thanks to my proprietary system called the Body Weight 3x Fat Burn Multiplier Effect, or just BW3 Multi-Burn for short. BW3 Multi-Burn uses 3 scientifically optimal exercise methods that work together to give you a multiplier effect that keeps you in a fat-burning state 24/7. And get this, as you'll see in a minute, unlike jogging and other long cardio workouts, they actually create a cellular effect that allows you to eat more tasty carb-rich foods in order to accelerate your fat loss. How do I know all this? I'm Adam Steer, aka the body weight coach, as I'm now called in the media and on the internet, and I've spent years studying the top body weight athletes and experts, reading the research papers the rest of the industry ignored, and searching for the answer to overcome my own fat genes and help my clients get the bodies they deserve without giving up their favorite foods or turning their lifestyle upside down. I've tested and taught these same methods to my personal training clients and to clients around the world, both online and at seminars and workshops in Singapore, Australia, Slovenia, Germany, the Netherlands, Canada and the USA. And since I published my first online workout program in 2009, I've been able to improve over 84,330 lives by using the exact same methods I'm revealing right here on this page in a simple weight loss system today. First, a friendly warning. Danger. Your workouts may be forcing your body to protect itself by storing more fat. Now, you may be wondering if it's true that short 21-minute workouts are the way to go to quickly lose weight and stay in great shape. Why do you see and read so much about crazy long or intense programs like P90X and CrossFit? Sure, those programs end up with a few graphic success stories. However, here's what most people never see. Did you know one study showed that nearly 20% of CrossFit participants end up quitting because of injuries? Specifically, 9 of the 54 study participants had to quit because of overuse injuries. Now remember, the best workout is the one you'll stick to. And I recently read this excerpt from the blog of a guy trying to stick to P90X. I saw a P90X commercial this morning and was annoyed that they said the workouts could be done in about an hour a day. If you actually do the A Flat Ripper X on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday like you are supposed to, it's an hour and a half. Yoga is an hour and a half too, which leaves only 2 out of the 6 days that are actually about an hour. Truth is, most people just can't stick to that 90 minutes a day routine, and as you've already learned, you just don't have to. In fact, we already covered the fact that for most people, those long workouts are even going to raise your cortisol levels and force your body to store more stubborn fat around your midsection. Not to mention the fact that more and more studies are popping up, showing that long workouts also cause you to eat more and store more fat. Remember, I've spent my life battling my fat genes, I love food, I have a family, and I run 3 successful businesses. I don't believe in wasting my exercise time or in giving up on the pleasures of great food with a glass of my favorite red wine. So I put my system together for every busy man or woman who is not willing to compromise their enjoyment of life to have the body you desire and deserve. Men and women are sculpting the body you deserve, in just 21 minutes a day, no matter your age or how fit you are today. If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to learn the full content.